all, welcome to EC Electronics. So in this video, we are going to see a recruitment news from BECIL. So Broadcast Engineering Consultants India Limited is recruiting for various categories. There is 9 posts for which they are recruiting, and a lot of openings is there. And this is actually a mixed recruitment for experienced candidates and freshers. So please do watch this video till the end. Okay. So and also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. Let us see the details of post. First post is investigator. It is a fresher recruitment. 300 vacancies is there. Qualification they are asking is bachelor degree from a recognized university and good knowledge in computers. Okay. And also, if you have a experience which is in labor bureau survey or similar field, you will get a preference. Otherwise, also you are eligible to apply. Okay. Age limit is less than 45 and salary is per month salary 24,000 per month. Okay. Next, supervisors, 50 opening is there. Now here they are asking 2 years of experience. Okay. Graduate degree with at least of 2 years of experience. Age limit is less than 50. Salary is 30,000 per month. Third post is system analyst. Here you should be having 8 years of experience. Okay. Bachelor, master's degree in computer, IT or MCA or MTech also eligible to apply. Age limit less than 50 and 1 lakh per month. Since they are asking experience, salary is also too good. Okay. Next, senior domain expert. Also they are asking experience for this post. Next, junior domain expert. Again, it is for experienced candidates. UDC. There is four openings. Bachelor degree from a recognized university and good knowledge of computers. Experience of working in PFMS, TA bills, all these areas. Okay. Then they have not asked any years of experience though. So if you have a working knowledge also, you are eligible to apply. Area is less than 45. Then multitasking staff. Here candidates must have passed matriculation examination or equivalent from a recognized board. So a lot of people are eligible to apply here. Salary is 15,000 per month. Age limit is less than 60. Next one, subject matter expert. Here they are asking a very big experience, at least 20 years of related field experience. Okay. So here the salary is 80,000 per month. Okay. Next, young professionals. Here there is 10 vacancies and the qualification they are asking is postgraduate degree in statistics or economics or applied economics or in computer application or in social science. And also they have mentioned that only persons from IITs and IIMs are eligible to apply. Okay. So age limit is less than 45 and the salary is 70,000 per month. Now let us move on to the selection process and all. Okay. So here they have mentioned that for the serial number 1 and 2, that is the first 2 posts we have seen. For that, test and test/written test will be conducted. Okay. And for the all the other posts, only there is interview. Okay. So if you are applying for the post from 1 to 2, which is investigator and supervisor, you will have to give the written test or trade test. Okay. Then that is written test plus trade test will be there. But for the 3 to 9 posts, there is only interviews. And the exam centers also they have given here. Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, all the major cities are having exam centers. Okay. Other details also they have given. Now let us see the application procedure. For applying, please visit the BECIL website. So just click on this icon. You will get a application form. Okay. Another important thing they have given, in case of any queries, just mail to this mail ID. I get a lot of doubts or comments regarding these application procedures and all. So just mail to this mail ID. They'll give you clear-cut information. Okay. And the last date for application is 22nd of April. There is enough time, but apply for it as soon as possible. Okay. Now the application procedure step by step they have given here. First you have to go to this link, then enter the basic details, upload scan photo signature, then educational details, work experience, application, preview and modify. That is, after applying, you have to see the application preview. Then payment, you have to pay the fees also. And print and save the completed application form. Okay. Next, fee details is given here. Fee is actually a little bit higher. For general category, it is 955 rupees. OBC it is 955. SC/ST 670. Ex-servicemen 955. Economically weaker sessions 670 rupees. Okay. So this is the fee detail. Now another thing they have given, the examination, the written test, what all area you have to prepare, also they have given here. Okay. So the test will be consisting of only one paper, that too an MCQ based examination. It will be in English and Hindi, both languages will be there. And the topics will be English, Maths, Logical Reasoning, General Knowledge, General Awareness, English, Hindi, Maths, Logical Reasoning, that is for Hindi medium. Okay. So this will be the area you have to prepare for the written test. Again, this is another important question I get in the comment section regarding which all areas you have to prepare. So here I'm telling in the video itself. So another one request is that if you are asking any doubts or any comments, please do watch the video completely. Only then please ask the doubts and comments, because sometimes I have given the answer in the video itself. So if I have not given the answer in the video, please do comment in the comment section. Feel free to ask any doubts. Okay. Next, total there will be 90 questions. Each question will be carrying 1 mark. Okay. And the paper will be for 90 minutes duration. Okay. So all the details they have given here. Okay. And they have not they have not explained anything regarding the negative marks. Okay. That also I don't know, because if there is negative mark, because mostly in notifications you will get to know that there is negative marks of this much mark will be deducted, but here they have not given any such information. Okay. So the last date also we have seen here, the exam pattern, everything we have seen here. That's all about the recruitment update from BECIL. Nowadays we are not getting a lot of applications or a lot of updates, but I'm trying to fetch up maximum job updates, especially for freshers of ECE, EIN, EEE branches. Please do support the channel. Please do subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching, and keep on watching.